Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about Elastic IP, what it is, how it helps us, and a few other things related to this. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, I have selected, as you can see, one EC2 instance, and we have an IP address. Let's copy it for a quick moment. And I just kept it somewhere to show you something. Now, let's try to stop the instance. It's stopping. It takes some time to stop the instance, and then we will do something with it. Now, you see this IP address when this instance gets stopped, and when we start it again, it gives us a new IP address every single time we stop it. So what's the big deal about it? What's the issue? What's the problem? If you remember, we copied this IP address in our domain control panel, which is linked with this instance. So someone coming to my domain will see the pages or will see the application hosted on my AWS computer, isn't it? Yeah. Now, if the IP address gets changed, now you imagine no connections will be coming to my system, and that's as a result, user won't be able to access my website. Ajmin, then what's the solution? You see, it got stopped. Now let's try to start it again. In the meantime, let's talk again. Okay, so if it immediately gave us one IP address. Okay, if you remember, the IP address was 16.171 and 16.171, 62, it's 232 and 99. There is no matching with these two IP address. Do you see any similarities? No, these are not. This is not similar IP addresses. So as I was saying, no request will be coming to my computer and user won't be able to access it. So what's the solution? Take this IP address, go to control panel of domain and update it. It may take 24 hours and use the visitors will have to wait maybe 2 hours, maybe 24 hours to see the application again. That's not a viable solution. We don't want to do like this. That's where Elastic IP comes into the picture. If we just click on Elastic IP, if I can write that. Okay, all right. So here we can create a static IP. It doesn't matter that our system get rebooted, restarted, whatever that is. The IP address will be always and always similar. It will never get changed. For that, first of all, just click on this arrow icon and see what is your location. My location is EU-North-1. And what is this? What is this long list, Ajmin? Well, so we will talk about this in some other video. But in short, if I just say in one line, these are the locations where your application will be hosted. Since I am, just for example, I'm from United States. And I want to store my application in United States so that United States people can just browse it with like they don't see any loading time. They see very faster speed. So that's what these regions are. We will talk about in detail in some other videos. For now, let's just click on this allocate IP, and then if you want, you can just give some tag, but just go with allocate IP, or let's create one. Let's write code application app web app. Which app? Let's write code web app. Then click on allocate. AWS will give us one IP, 16 and whatever that is. Now we can take that IP and link with our existing computer instance. For that, just select this and click on action and associate Elastic IP address. We can do that with network interface, but I don't want that. I want very simplistic way as of now. So just click on instance. I want to select a particular instance, and I will be selecting mine since I have just only one, and I'm selecting this. And then click on associate. If you want this elastic IP with some other computer as well, you can do it, but I'm not clicking here as of now. I want to make the things very simple for now. Click on associate. Great. Now let's go back to our instance EC2. You see, by the way, just take a note what this IP is so that I can show you. Now in EC2, my bad. Okay, instances. Now you'll see that we will have this same IP address. Let's see. Yep, 16, 170 and 129, 137. If we stop it, if we stop this instance and start this again, you'll see the same IP address. It will not affect anything. So let's wait. It's gonna take some time. So let's, I'll skip this part. Fast forward this part. All right, it stopped. Let's start it again. You see the IP address is still here. And let's start it. And again, it will take some time. It doesn't matter. Actually, you already understood the process. It doesn't matter. Now the bigger question is, Ajman, why would somebody just restart their instance? Many reasons. Maybe it crashing, maybe for glitches, maybe for like a lot of reason can come down to the road. But with elastic IP, life gets easier. I hope you understood the process. And in the next upcoming videos, we will be deploying a real world application so that we actually see how we can deploy a front end and back end in the same computer and call the API. Thank you so much. I hope I will surely catch you up in the next one.